This is Philip. Today we're showing you a way to store ropes and electrical cords, etc. in a way that they'll never get tangled up. And in addition to that, we're climbing down into a ravine that is located on some property that we own. Why are we doing that? Because it's there.
Because it's fun. And because it's fun.
Start with a knot in the end of the rope. Not too big. Flip it around there.
So what?
I don't like winding ropes like this. People have a tendency to twist them as they do, so I try to be careful not to as I do it. We'll try it like this. We'll just get some bunch of rope up and try to toss it down.
Good throw.
Can't guarantee it's not in a knot at the bottom.
Is that off the box?
Well,
Is that off the box? Sit on the hitch.
all right, how to get down here? What's the camera? Want the camera running? If I wipe out, it's got to be on camera, right? Might be a little shaky. Okay, instead of boring you with my very shaky descent, let's take a little break from that for us to show you the tangle-free rope storage method. All right, go ahead and show them how we like to do our ropes. I can't stand a rope that is twisted up. The way a lot of times a rope gets handled gets all twisted up. So you can actually, they call it daisy chain the rope, and there's other names for it as well. And basically, this is how you do it. You just reach through and grab the next piece, make a loop, grab through the next piece, make a loop, and when you're all done, you tie it off. And basically, you can throw your rope in a pile and it's not going to get knotted up. It's technically already knotted up, but the knot is arranged in such a way that it is not going to be a mess. You can easily untie this rope. Okay, we'll even show you here. Okay, so we got the rope knotted. You got your knot. Let's take the rope, make a pile. Just pick it up in a pile, throw it up in the air. It's however, pick up your end and let's show them how it comes undone. So easy. Take apart the knot at the end.
Sure.
Now hang on, I'll readjust the camera. All right, hang on. All right, throw it down on the ground and pull your end out. Show them how simple it is to pull your rope through. Now there's some things caught in the rope from climbing down. But basically, the rope is tangle-free. That is a tangle-free rope. We'll show you once again how to do this. You make the loop, reach through, grab the next piece, and keep going till you're at the end of the rope. The way you start is you have to find center. So you put your two ends together, drag it out, and you'll find the center, and that's where you start, is approximately the center. Some people put a piece of tape in the center when they find center, and then they always know where it is, so they always know where to start. So now he has put it all together. Now he's going to tie his last knot, and that is a very simple knot to undo. So now you can just haul it away in a pile. There's nothing to wind up. Just throw it in a pile. It's fine. It won't get tangled. It's a tangle-free rope. Hard to see the steepness on camera. We've descended 20 feet, maybe 20, 25. Oh. Thought that was a rock.
Oh. You see?
Thought I was stepping on a rock. It's just a big mud.
Okay. See?
All right.
So you want to go up here? Go back here. I found another neat rock. There's a perfectly flat rock up there.
You can go around if you want. Or are you waiting for me to move? There's a little cave down in here. We always see it from up top. I came down here once before. There was nothing in it. See if we can get the camera in there at least a little bit. Oh, crash. Slid down the sidewall. The walls here are pretty steep as you go up. Let me see if I can get it on camera. So we're going to walk up the creek, and it gets shallower as we go up. So there used to be a waterfall up there that would block your path, but I'm not sure if it's eroded enough that we can get through now or not. So many neat places like this. Back in here, rocks are eroded with very interesting design patterns.
Hey, Papa, I think we found a boot up here. Maybe somebody came over here and lost our boot. Up further, but there's thorns. Hey, here's the grapevine.
In eastern Ohio, the coal seam that runs across most of eastern Ohio, and it comes out very close to the surface in a lot of places here. This would be looking up the sidewalls about 10 feet up, so probably around here at least the coal seam is about 10 feet deep. But yeah, right there it is, exposed by water erosion. That coal seam up top is almost on the surface all the way up. So being 10 feet down from the surface here it is, but up at the top of the ravine it's almost on the surface actually. Okay. So rocks down in here have these very interesting shapes in them from the erosion. Just very interesting. There are lots of holes down in here along the sides. Sometimes water comes out of holes along here, and other times there are holes that little animals live in. It's very interesting. But yeah, here's some more over here even. Another one just right here. Okay, we're blocked from getting through. The waterfall that used to be there is still there, just not much of a waterfall anymore. It's eroded away quite a bit, but it's still way too steep for us to climb over, so we're going back the way we came. Not doing any trick shots with me climbing up, then I have to come back for the camera. That ain't happening. Well, that was fun. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like on YouTube, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. If you want to receive notifications when we upload a new video, please hit that notification bell. See you on the next one.